What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. How's everybody doing? It's been a while, man. Spurt's been busy. However, I have been working on a video on a Chevy Aveo, aka the Lamborghini Aveo. And my original plan was to make a full detail video, start to finish, and just play some music and have you guys enjoy the full detail. Having a little bit of issues in my editing app as far as importing videos and the lengths and everything like that. This is not working for me right now, and I don't have time to figure it out because it's been so while since I put out a video. So, few updates, everybody. So hopefully I sound a little bit better than I normally do. So what I did was I picked up a Rode Lavalier Go mic for my GoPro Hero 8 Black, just to try to improve the audio quality for you guys. That way, you know, the whole traffic noise in the back, hopefully that sounds a little better. Hopefully, you know, you guys aren't hearing that going by as bad. But yeah, it's my first time really using this lavalier mic, so you guys let me know what you think. If it sounds better, drop it in the comments. I will leave the link to the mic that I'm using down below as well. But so my original plan for this video, like I said, was to shoot a beginning to end video. It's been raining like crazy here. I wanted to shoot that from start to finish video, but with what's going on with my editing app, I am now kind of tweaking what I wanted to do a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a detailing series. This is gonna be, I don't know, 4 or 5 parts maybe. And I'm gonna start with basically, hey, I get a car and this is what I do from start to finish. This is my process, and I'm gonna break it down into each individual process. Episode 1, I always start with the engine bay. So we're gonna take care of the engine bay. Episode 2 is going to be wheels and tires, because that's what I move to next. Then we're going to do the exterior wash and door jams, and then we're going to do the interior, and then we're going to, you know, do the paint, address the paint, and give it a little polish. So I'm going to break this down into a detailing series, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I just got to compromise and get what I can out until I get my new setup, which I'm really excited because I just ordered a brand new camera setup. And everything to further increase my video quality. So stay tuned for that one. I will be doing a video and unboxing on what I got. I'm really excited for that. So like I said, my original plan didn't really work. So, you know, I'm doing what I got to do to get some videos out for you guys. So hopefully I sound better. Hopefully you guys enjoy this detailing series on the Lamborghini Aveo is what I call it. And if anybody has any questions, comments, or concerns, just drop them down in the comments, guys, and I will definitely reply to you and address anything. I'll try to do some voiceovers during it to kind of explain the products I'm using and explain the process as I go through my detailing. So this is the Smurf way that he details a car from start to finish. Somebody that says, hey, in this case, the Aveo was, hey, I want to sell it. Let's clean it up. Let's make it look good. And I use this process pretty much to the T on a lot of cars that I'm doing, unless it's a maintenance wash. So yeah, if you guys have any, like I said, any questions or comments, just drop it in the comments and I will definitely address that. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy part 1 and the rest of the detailing series. I appreciate you guys, and let's get to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this engine bay definitely needs some Smurf touch. Here I got my Marolex pump sprayer, and I'm using the extra tough multi-purpose degreaser 3-to-1 ratio. Absolutely love my Marolex. Yeah, I could probably use my foam cannon and it'd probably speed this process up. And I think I'm going to try that on my next detail, engine bay detail. But just main goal here is to just get a nice coat of foam over everything. As you can see in the top right, I have the ECU wrapped up. That's ECU's in the engine bay. That's the engine computer. And it's exposed. I always like to cover up any exposed electrical. The alternator, if it's sitting on top and it's exposed, I always like to wrap up the alternator. This one's kind of tucked down on the bottom, so it should be okay. Still, just mind where you spray water. Just don't go directly full power into connectors and electrical areas with your pressure washer, and you'll be just fine. So yeah, get a nice coat of the extra tough sprayed on here, and then I go to town with my detailing brushes. All right, next step, first brush I go with is my Adams. I think this is an Adams wheel brush. I actually got this in one of my glove boxes, and I use it for wheels. It's pretty soft, but it still has enough backbone to clean. So yeah, I will leave this in the description below. I'm pretty sure it's Adams. But yeah, I go to town on the top first. That way, if anything falls off from the roof, it will fall onto the engine bay that I'm already going to be cleaning after this. So that's why I start at the top, work my way down and agitate, and then rinse it off. All right, so this is another quick tip. I do have a few of these wheelbarrow brushes. This one is a little bit on the stiffer side, so I kind of dedicated it for my engine bay details. It really lets you get in the nooks and crannies and crevices of an engine bay. Really a good tool. I do have my softer ones, especially on gloss black wheels. So I dedicated this one to my engine bay, and it works great getting in all the nooks and crannies. And last but not least, I like to go over all the areas that I can't, really get with my my little detailing brush here. This is just an old set I bought off Amazon that I downgraded as I upgraded my wheel brushes, and I dedicated this one for engine bays as it gets dirty. I won't use it on my wheels or on paint ever again. It is solely for engine bays. It just lets you agitate all the leftover 15-20% that you couldn't get with the bigger brushes down in the nooks and crannies. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Agitate and then rinse it off. All right, next step is to go ahead and rinse. What I like to do is I don't like to turn my pressure washer on. I just turn the water on and use it without the pressure washer actually on. I know I could probably use it. I know there's plenty of you out there that have pressure wash full pressure. You keep the wand back. I know, but I just feel more comfortable doing it this way. I'm not in a rush at all. So I use the pressure washer with it turned off, just the power of the water coming out, and it works just fine. There I have my 40-degree nozzle was actually acting up on me, so I swapped over to my, I think it's a 30-degree nozzle. I'm not 100% sure. The green one, I think it's 45, and then this one's 30. Not 100%, but yeah, just go ahead and rinse it off. Like I said, just be aware and be mindful of where electrical connectors are. If you do like to use your pressure washer full blast, definitely going to have to be more careful. And after we get it all rinsed off, I like to take my air compressor. I'm using the McGraw 20-gallon from Harbor Freight. Absolutely love that thing. I'm not trying to blow it dry here, guys. I'm actually just trying to blow the puddles and pockets of water that can sit somewhere and possibly cause an issue. So yeah, just blow some water out and we get ready to hit it with our dressing. This is the Koch Chemie Motorplast, or Koch Chemie. I don't know how you pronounce it, but we're gonna call it Koch Chemie. This is Motorplast. It's a dressing / protectant for all the surfaces in the engine bay, and I'm quickly growing to love this stuff. You leave the engine bay wet. You can use it dry. I am going to do a dedicated video on it, but for now, while it's wet, you give it a nice coat. You should close the hood, wait 15-20 minutes, and then you come back with absolute incredible results. All right, everybody. So there you have it. Episode 1 in the books. Engine bay detailing. It's very simple. It's very easy. All you need is a few tools, and you could really transform an engine bay. And to me, it's something that a lot of people may overlook. They say, well, who's going to look at your engine? But to me, a clean engine bay, it just sets off the car. Even though you can't see it, when I pop a hood and I see a clean engine bay, that lets me know, hey, they take care of this thing. So yeah, part 1 in the books. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope the audio sounds good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is going to be a series. I'm going to break it down for you guys. And they're not going to be as long as my normal videos, but hey, got to do what you got to do. Smurfs got to adapt. So, with that being said, quick outro here, guys. Nothing much more to say. I'll leave the link to the tools and the products that I use down in the description of each series as well. I don't think I'm going to do an intro and outro for each video. I might. I haven't decided yet, but we will see. I appreciate all you guys for stopping in and taking the time to watch and support my videos. Really, it means the world to me. I built a great family here on YouTube, and I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please smash that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel. Click that little notification bell. That way when I upload more videos, you guys will get notified and you won't miss anything. So once again, thank you all. I hope all you guys out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. And I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.